Why GIC's ERP is the best solution for manufacturers. Are you facing challenges with your manufacturing operations? Manufacturers must ensure they have complete visibility of their compliance and that of their supplier. For customer satisfaction and to reduce waste and production cost. Our vertical solutions expertise allows your business to streamline workflow and increase productivity, no matter what the business is. Covering sales and distribution, finance and accounting, purchase, inventory control, production, quality assurances. GIC's ERP gives you up-to-date information which allows you to identify and seize opportunities. Let's get an insight into how this ERP works. 1. Onboarding. We can create staff, customers, account heads, vendors, and other settings like tax, HSN, GOTOWN, etc. accounts in this ERP. 2. Day-to-day activities. After the creation of the account, each file stores day-to-day activities information like day-to-day activities, orders, sales, challenge, e-invoicing, accounting, sales return, credit debit notes, gate pass, damage entry, stock adjustment, stock transfer, vehicle return, etc. 3. Sales reports. We can generate reports of daily sale report, party pack cumulative sales, and order versus dispatch easily. 4. Miscellaneous reports. In this we can create reports other than sales like stock position, market outstanding, crate ledger, item reports, HR reports. 5. GST reports. With this generation of e-filing GSTR1, GSTR sales, GSTR purchase, GSTR 3B has now been made quicker and hassle-free. This ERP system helps in streamline and scale business processes, product cost optimization, flexibility, optimizes inventory level, enhances planning, improves production, quality management and assurance. The key features of GIC Manufacturing ERP. By products management, single bill of materials for multiple product variants, accounting and auditing, agile production planning, backward scheduling, work orders management, procurement, repairs and maintenance of equipment machinery, distribution and logistics, production calendar access and management, materials and parts purchasing, real-time resource tracking, auto approval of purchase requisitions, status reporting for customer orders, purchase orders, employee payroll, HR and payroll management. Selecting the right ERP for your business improves productivity and reduces costs and increases profitability. Make the right choice with Global Infocloud Private Limited. For more details contact +91 2235155001. Visit us www.globalinfocloud.com.